Hey, this is Thomas, and today I want to talk to you about building websites with already pre-made patterns. So in your project, you build your website, maybe starting from the home page to certain subpages. Keep in mind always storing your patterns, because you can reuse these patterns, first of all, for your project, but you can reuse these patterns in all your next projects as well, because they're completely dynamic, whether it's changing the colors, changing the font, changing the spacing. So let's have a look into the pattern library here. Just need to click on the block, open it up, and here we have the components, and let's pick some. So we need a header, we need an intro section, then the next one will be a trust section here, maybe a testimonial, and for the products a section as well. Okay, and we're already good to go. We can change now the spacing control, the width, change the content, and we have a page.